Look at the river, and it's up. There we go. It's flooding, but it ain't out of the